How many minutes? Coming now? Mamaya. Wait. Coming now? Coming now. Were you ready? Salamat, sir. 2 minutes? What is it? Ano? Squid. It's you, it's me. Squid. Salamat, sir. וואי. כמה זה עולה? 30 שקל. מתי בארץ לקבל כזה מחיר? מה עוד צריך להביא? מביא לנו עוד משהו? לא יודע, איך זה הולך? תראו, את מסעדה, כמה אנשים, רם איתאו, very nice. Pare, that's all? Or we have another? More than one item? Oh, salama. Oh, oyster. Salamat, sir. What about the mask? You have to put this? The mask. But still corona here? What's going on? Not take out the mask? Guapo. Ikaw pa dyan. Siyempre. How to say? The cashier, the sign hard. Hard to see. Very beautiful pare. Oi, este, sir. David, this us? Wow, pare. Salamat ikaw. Wow. What is name? Oyster. You can
Big oyster.
I told you it's a zafim baby. It's a this. You cannot eat all. This you cannot eat it down.
Enough.
Oh.
Because sharing is love.
Sharing, kapoy talaga par. Zafim. Ilan uyab meron ka?